Hi everyone, welcome to the another Stockwatch episode series. And today we are going to discuss about market analysis, both the index Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's start with the first index, Nifty index. Last week we have seen new high in the Nifty as well as in Sensex, both the index. And Nifty has almost made new high 16,543.60 on this last Friday, 13th August. So now let's check what are the circumstances we may see next week and what are the probabilities to trade those opportunities. We have seen a good consolidation here, and since the month of July end, we have seen a good breakout of this consolidation. So let me draw a simple trend line here. So it has given a good breakout here, and now it's out of this range. Couple of days we have seen a good upside momentum, and again it's stuck into the range for since 4 to 5 trading sessions. Then again it has broken out the range on the Friday itself and made a new high. Nifty spot price 16,543.60. So overall we have seen a good momentum in Nifty index. Few counters like Reliance, TCS, Infosys, these are the few counters which help Nifty to move higher side. Specifically, if we see IT index has been performed really well for the Nifty rising up in last week. So let's see what are the probabilities next week. Let's check with the smaller time frame. Okay. Before that, let's check the first weekly time frame. It has formed a very bullish candle, and let's check on a monthly time frame. So monthly also crossed this 2 months, last 2 month high crossed. So that's again bullish sign and a good bullish signal for this index for the couple of months more. Now let's check the 60-minute time frame and what are the probabilities. We have seen a good breakout here. This is a good breakout. So probability is there. We will see some kind of retracement here, some kind of retracement. Then it's a good opportunity. And if we see some bounce, this is the area we can look for the buying, because this was the resistance. Now it has couple of time it has taken support here and then you bounce back from this level. So Nifty index long near to around 16,330, 16,300. These are the band which will act as a very important support, because earlier it was a resistance here. So this is the probability in Nifty index. Okay. And don't enter immediately at high, because you need to put the stop loss near this support zone. So this will be a very far distance. If I can see from here to here, it's almost around 200 point move away. Always trade near to the support zone, so your stop loss will be very small. Okay. So this is basically about Nifty index. Now let's check the Bank Nifty. So overall view is bullish. If we see any dip in Nifty index, that is a good area to enter as a long side, because we are into the uptrend. And let me show you here again. So this is the Bank Nifty index daily spot price. We have seen this correction. After that, a good bounce here. But after that, we have seen a good consolidation, a sideways momentum since the month of May and June. Compared to the Nifty index, Bank Nifty is not that much strong. We have seen a good rally in Nifty index, but not in the Bank Nifty. Only one of the stock, HDFC Bank, performed really well in last week and helped Bank Nifty to sustain at higher level. Let me mark here a very simple trend line which will help you, because this horizontal resistance has been broken out, but it is near consolidating the same resistance. So I have drawn one channel from here and channel trend line, and let me clone it now and let me put into the lower side like this. So we are into the channel like this. Moving average slope is rising here. That's again good sign. Near to the resistance trend line, we are consolidating in a very narrow range. So probability is very high. We may see a good breakout out of this range also, and this trend channel also in next few days, expecting in next week at least. So very crucial. Next week is very crucial for the Bank Nifty, and I'm expecting a good breakout here in the next week. So probability is very high, because a very nicely consolidating near to very small range to the simple trend line resistance. RSI is above 60, again a good sign. Okay, and let me show you a smaller time frame. So we will see, take a next week view also. So this is the gap area here, which was broken out. So this area will act as a important support in next coming days. Very important support. This is a breakout here and support here also. Okay, and where you will put your resistance. Let's back to the daily chart. So here I can see important resistance of all-time resistance somewhere here, 13,700. Right now, last close was 36,170, 169. 13,000, 37,700 is a good resistance zone for Bank Nifty, and I'm expecting this level in next couple of weeks. Not exactly next week, but in next few weeks we will see these levels. There is a very few very rare chance that we will see a downside momentum. Expecting a good high momentum and testing of this 37,700 level in next few weeks. So overall, my view for Bank Nifty is very bullish. If I see any dip near to this support zone or near to this moving average, will be a very nice entry at a support zone in channel. Okay. And if we are not sustaining at this level, these two resistance, this support and this support, then we will see a good decline till this trend line. Okay. So this is the one more chance. Okay. So overall, my view is bullish for Bank Nifty. I'm also bullish in Nifty, but waiting for one retracement to enter into particular fund. Now let's check few important counter for Bank Nifty. Let's start with the HDFC Bank daily chart. We have seen a good, this is a support zone, this trend line breakout, and HDFC Bank performed really well. Now, very important resistance for HDFC Bank somewhere here. If it's sustaining above this level, 1550, we will see some more upside in HDFC Bank. Okay, so overall, a very nice counter, a very bullish counter. Let me show you one more. ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank also given a good trend line breakout, a very sharp move, and also consolidation has been done here. RSI is taking support at 60, amazingly good sign. Volumes are increasing again. So I am seeing a good momentum in next couple of days. Let me draw a trend line. This is a trend line breakout also. If I will see any dip, will be a good entry area in this counter. So overall ICICI Bank is also a very good counter. Let's check IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank, we have seen a resistance zone somewhere here. Okay, and it has consolidated near the resistance zone. Once it crosses about 1060 level on a spot basis, we might see a good upside momentum. Okay. And overall support zone somewhere here. This is the area of support, and 1000 level is the support area for IndusInd Bank. Let's check Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank has given a good breakout of this trend line and has given a good upside rally. Now horizontal support now become horizontal resistance here, but now become support here. Moving average slope is rising, taking near support near to moving average. Excellent one. And let's check the SBI. This is the daily chart of State Bank of India, and after giving the breakout, it back to the same level and consolidating near to the same support previously trend line also. Volumes are declining on this decline, so expecting a good upside momentum in next week in this counter as well. So these are the few counters which will help Bank Nifty also to move higher side, and this is the main reason I see some of the counters have really potential to go upside in next week. That is the reason I am also bullish in Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is the whole view about Nifty and Bank Nifty index in this stopwatch series. I hope you really like that, because this will help you to take so many trades in next week. Because if you have a clear idea about index, will help you to take proper positions. Okay, so that's it from my side. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you really like, then share and subscribe to my channel. Share this video. Thank you so much, and wait for my another video.